If you're new to crypto and you want to know all about it, this is your one stop shop, beginner friendly, in plain English, how to do it and what all the lingo means, because I get really confused with jargon. So, this is free. You just click the button, which I'll put below, and we're going to show you how to buy it, how to earn it, and how to spend it, and lots more besides. Okay, so I'm just going to go into this. If you go into buying crypto, um, you have to buy it in a wallet. What's a wallet? And it gives you examples of wallets. And how easy is this? You can set it up in that one's 5 minutes and that one's 8 minutes. So it's step by step, bite-sized pieces that even a beginner will understand. So once you've bought it, how do you earn it? Now, this is the safe way. Um, Dan, who did this website, is on a mission to stop the scams. So he's been in the space since 2018, and this is what he's come up with. Right. How to earn money with crypto. Now, these are all similar. Let's just click on Origin. They're called smart contracts. What it does is you put your $125 in, and this one is zero point 0.2 to 0.25% every 8 hours. And it's compound interest. Okay. So that's all you need to know with that one. And this is called staking tokens. Again, it's 5 minute little snippets. Now, the other one, there's another one here, is ACAS. What's the difference between Origin? I call it ACAS, some of them called it CAS. Anyway, it's the AS token. Again, it's step by step, the history behind it. They do all the checks, right? So it's secure and it shows you that. Now, this one is 0.41% every 12 hours. So you can choose which one you want to go in. Now, the third one in this particular one is the ARC, which is brand new and fully renounced. And it's got all the contact addresses. And again, you can stake this one, and this one's even better. Okay, I haven't joined that one yet, but believe me, it's brand new. So once you've started earning this, now these are totally passive, and you can get your money out with Origin. I think you can get it out 24 hours, but why would you? Wait till I do the video on the calculators, guys. So you earn it and then you can spend it. So once you've earned it, you can get a crypto debit card. So if you've earned 200, you can put that on a crypto debit card. Okay. So you buy it and you spend it. But get this, you can make money if you share it. Now, these at the moment, there's one, two, three tokens, staking tokens. He's added in BitUnix, which is where you can buy and sell crypto, but don't use this to actually buy it. You just transfer it because then it's still decentralized. All these things. Anyway, there are live webinars um, every day. This was just your little, and if you want to promote this, for example, there are lots of one-liners here that you can put on your little stories and emails, solo ads, blah, 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 to give away this free website. So it's always going to be free. It's never going to charge for it. All we want to do is educate the little people so they understand that it's not scary. So basically, this is crypto, but it's with a team. You can get on the Telegram group, ask questions. Dan actually hopped on a call with me the other day, and I was blown away because I'm a beginner in crypto, and he knew that, so he just said, "Hey, let me show you." So now, if you get confused with that bit, I can hop on the call with you. So basically, everybody is helping each other. So we do this together, guys. Get Crypto Toolbox today by clicking the link in the bio, and I'll see you in the Telegram group.